Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video. Today I'm doing a cooking video. I'm going to be showing y'all how to make sweet potato pudding. I recorded this yesterday, and so I'm just going to do voiceover for it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments if you had ever had this before, what you think about the recipe, and let me know if you try it. Okay, so here I have 2 baked sweet potatoes. I'm just gonna peel the skin off of them. This is how they look after they get peeled. You see that? That's the sugar that comes out when you cook it. Those are the skins. I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. So I added about 4 tablespoons of Earth Balance spread, some cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice, and about probably like a 1/3 cup of sugar or something like that. Mix it together. I added about 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. I added a little bit more later, so it's about a tablespoon. And then, did I add more margarine? No. Oh, and then I squeezed a little lemon juice in it. Maybe. And then I'm going to add some oat milk and some unbleached all-purpose flour. I'm not sure how much I added. I'm not sure. That's what it looks like before I add the milk. I mean after. And then there's the flour. That's like probably about a cup. So when you use plain flour, you gotta add salt and baking powder. So that's what I'm gonna do. Use according to the directions on the packaging. I added some more milk because it wasn't thick enough, and I mean it was too thick. Then I added more. Then I added about another tablespoon and a half of Earth Balance. I greased the pan, put the filling in, then realized I needed to put flour in it first, so I had to do it over. There it is in the pan. I'm gonna bake it for I think 30. I baked it for about 34 minutes, then turned on the top and let the top brown for like 15-ish minutes, something like that. I don't really remember, y'all, but here it is after it gets done. It is perfectly brown. I love the way it looks. It is perfect. That is just exactly how I wanted it to look. It is thin like I knew it would be because, you know, I only had 2 sweet potatoes. But it tasted really good. You can add raisins in this. I just didn't put raisins because I didn't want it. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm cutting it. Y'all, it's really good. I ate some more this morning. It's really good. I'm using this nylon, I think it's nylon spatula to cut it because I don't want to tear up my pan. And I think there was something else I was supposed to tell y'all about this, but I do not remember, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Sliced. It was delicious. Please try this recipe if you like sweet potatoes. I thank y'all for watching the video. Look at that. It was really good, y'all. Make sure you eat it warm. It's good cold too. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I so much appreciate y'all. Please do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web.